Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna doing a comparison between these two models, Realme P4x and Motorola G57 Power. So friends, let's keep it aside the box first, and here we go with our phones. So friends, you can see both have blue color in difference. This is the dark, this is the light. Let's talk about this friends. These two were launched in 2025 as battery kings, both featuring massive 7000 mAh batteries. However, they just carry very different users. Like Realme focuses on raw performance and gaming, while Motorola prioritizes software cleanness and camera versatility. So friends, let's talk about its display. So here comes with display that Realme comes with 6.72 LCD, 144 Hz of refresh rate. Either when we talk about the Motorola, it comes with same 6.72 inches of display, LCD, but with 120 Hz of refresh rate. Let's talk about the processor friends. So the Realme comes with Dimensity 7400 Ultra, and in this Motorola it comes with Snapdragon 6s Gen 4. Let's compare the cameras. So you can see the cameras, they have both good cameras position. So let's talk about this. So here it comes with 50 megapixel of camera plus 2 megapixel of depth camera, and in this Motorola it having the same 50 megapixel camera plus 8 megapixel camera ultra wide. So let's talk about the battery and charging friends. So you can see the battery, and so both have 7000 mAh battery, but the Realme one is good for fast charging. It provides 45 volt of fast charging, and in comparison of that Motorola one, it comes with 33 volt of charging. Let's compare the software also. Realme comes with Android 15, and in this Motorola we get 16. And you can see the plastic built material over this, plastic IP64 resistance, and this one is eco leather. You can see this has a eco leather finish at the back with IP64 GG7i, and both have stereo speakers. But with this Motorola, you can see it having the 3.5 jack with Dolby Atmos. So friends, let's talk about the performance and gaming. If you are comparing with the performance in gaming, the Realme, this is the clear winner for gamers. The Dimensity 7400 Ultra is significantly more powerful than the Snapdragon 6s Gen 4, scoring over 1 crore on Antutu score combined with the 144 Hz refresh rate and UFSI 3.1 storage. It handles heavy games, multitasking much better. As compared to the Motorola one, it uses more modest Snapdragon chipset. While it is smooth for daily tasks, social media, YouTube, light gaming, it is designed for competitive gaming friends. So if you are for the gaming purpose and you are wanting that mobile, so you can definitely choose this Realme one. So as compared to the camera and multimedia, if we choose for the camera lovers, if they want to just click a good picture, the Motorola ones offer the more practical camera setup. It includes an 8 megapixel of ultra wide lens, which is missing on the Realme. It also supports 2K at, you can see, I show you first, here it is video. So let's click on this resolution. So yes, it supports 2K at 1440 pixel video recording on both front and back, whereas Realme is capped at 1080 pixel, so it can't be record at 2K. So you can see, I show you here, it can't record. So recording on this and as compared to the Realme one, sticks to a 50 megapixel of main sensor for good photos. The secondary one 2 megapixel lens is mostly decorative, however it can record 4K at 30 fps on the rear camera, which Moto can't. Let's talk about the battery and charging if you want a good battery life. So friends, both have similar battery, like 7000 mAh battery, batteries that can easily last up to 2-3 days. And let's talk about the charging. So friends, in this, Realme wins because of the fast charging with the 45 volt of ultra charge, getting you back to the 100% faster than Motorola 33 volt. Realme also features bypass charging, which lets you power the phone directly from the cable while gaming to prevent heat. So friends, let's talk about the design. So both have good designs. You can see this one also having the plastic bags, this is also this also comes in leather. So both have similar and same feel, you can see, because of the display. And you can check the size of this. Both have 7000 mAh battery, but both are lightweight also. It's not even the heavier one or anything. Both have similar kind of weight. I am just feeling on my hand. So which should you buy? Choose Realme one if you play heavy games like BGMI or any other game. You want the smoother 144 Hz of display in this budget. You want a faster charging and more durable build, so you can choose this Realme one. Let's talk about this Motorola one. So you want a ultra wide camera for landscape shot, you prefer clean software Android 16 and without bloatware. You still use wired headphones, 3.5 jack it has, you can see in this. So you can choose this one. So you can tell me in the comment section which wanna buy you. And you can check the overall design of this, you can see. But the Motorola one feels good. You can see it has a leather finish and same display at the front, you can see. Both have same. You can see the difference in the refresh rate also. Let's do a quick test also. Let's open both the apps and let's see which app opens faster. So here I am just opening the Chrome one first. So you can see I have opened it. So the Motorola one is opening faster. Let's open another application also. So here I am just doing with the Play Store one. So let's open it. So you can see it opens faster in the this Motorola one. Let's open another thing like settings. Let's open it. Here we go. So it opens similar. Let's open another app. So let's open YouTube. So you can see it opening faster in Realme smartphone. So both have kind of similar refresh rate when you use for daily purposes. But when you come to the gaming and another thing, the Realme wins in this case. If you are buying for the gaming purpose, if you want to play games with heavy tasks in this 7000 mAh battery with this 144 Hz, you can choose this one because the winner of this is Realme one. I hope you like this video and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.